One of the biggest hurdles to getting hired on Outschool is passing that application video. And lately I've gotten emails from teachers who are applying to Outschool but not getting past that video application stage. So in this video, I will be giving you my top 3 simplified tips to clarify what Outschool is expecting from teachers who are trying to work on their platform so that you can structure your videos and hopefully pass the first time. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you don't know me already, my name is JennaLee from liveeatteach.com, and on my channel I want to help you with your online teaching goals, whether that be online teaching tips and tricks, steps to build your own business, and also become your own boss. As I am a hiring coach for Outschool, I want to bring you all the tips and tricks to help you pass your Outschool application. If you want more one-on-one support from me and 24/7 email support, you can use my application link below to apply to Outschool so that I can become your hiring coach. Now, don't forget to email me at this email, liveeatteach@gmail.com, so that I can help you to the best of my ability. I'm gonna break this application video process down into 3 steps. So these are my 3 tips to get you hired and pass that video application stage. My number 1 tip, and most teachers will tell you this, is to niche down. And what that means is you're going to pick a subject, whether that be a subject that you actually teach or have experience in, or that be an interest or hobby or passion of yours that you have a lot of experience in and would like to teach on Outschool. I know a lot about how hard this can be because I started with so many different niches and subjects that I wanted to teach. But I can tell you it will help you from the start if you choose one, and you can always expand and teach other things as you get hired on the platform. But it's important to show Outschool that you're going to choose one when you are applying to Outschool, because they want you to be the expert in that specific subject. My second tip for the Outschool application video is to show that you're passionate about that subject that you're teaching, and also take 1 minute at the beginning to explain a little bit about how you are passionate. And you're going to see in my video that I will show you an example of how to do that. Outschool wants teachers that are passionate. They don't even require teachers to have a degree. That's because they really are looking for passionate teachers who are going to make learning fun and exciting. My third and final tip before we get into the video is during the video, you really want to interact with the students. So I would write down, 3 to 5 student names, and then you are going to interact with them, call on them, ask them questions. Outschool is all about that call and response and getting students to interact with you. They don't want necessarily a teacher that is just going to sit there and lecture. They want to see in this application video that you are really getting the students to respond. All right, this is the time where I will show you what I think a passable Outschool video is, following those 3 tips that I know Outschool is looking for in their teachers. Hi Outschool, thank you so much for this opportunity. 2 of my biggest passions are music and American Sign Language, and on Outschool I am going to combine those 2 to create classes on how to sign songs in American Sign Language. As a choir teacher of 4 years in the public classroom, I really work to add sign language as movement along with singing. And this not only helped my students sing out and be more confident, but it also helped them to express themselves in many ways. I'm really looking forward to teaching this rewarding class on Outschool. Hi everyone! Nice to see you all. Nice to meet you. Hi Kate. Hi Ben. My name is Mrs. M, and I'm so excited to meet you all. I really want to get to know more about you. So we're gonna start with a little icebreaker. about our love of Moana, and I want to know all about your love of Moana and what characters you like, what's your favorite part of the movie, and also what your favorite song is. So Kate, you can start with who your favorite character in Moana is. Oh, it's Moana. Perfect. I love Moana. She is just so confident. Kate, what is your favorite part of the movie? Yeah, when Grandma Tala comes back as a Monterey. Oh, I love that part. And then what is your favorite song? Song of the Ancestors. That is a beautiful song. I love it. Ben, how about you go next? What is your favorite character? So a couple things before we get started. Because we are going to interact a lot, I actually want you to stay off mute for most of class, and I'll let you know if I want you to mute your microphone. Our second thing that we always want to remember is to respect other people when they are speaking. So make sure that you're raising your hand if you have a comment or a question during class. All right, we're gonna play a little American Sign Language game, and I'm gonna sign some animals, and you can see here that there are all these animal names, and you are going to guess which one I am signing. So let's start with Cassie. Are you ready? Perfect. What animal is this? Not a giraffe. Close. You get 2 more guesses. It is an elephant. Awesome job. All right, Ben, we are next. Not a cow. Not a goat. One more guess. It is a deer because these are the antlers. Why don't you go ahead and try that out, everyone? We are going to learn the chorus of How Far I'll Go from the movie Moana. So this is a lot like a dance class. I will show you all of the signs. You want to try your best to do exactly what I am doing, and I will help you along the way if you have any questions or challenges. We are going to start with our pinkies together, and we are going to draw a line across. So we're going to go like this. See the line? Good. And we're going to do a little ninja move. Now the line is going to be our arm. So ninja. Very good. And then we're going to paint the sky. Where the sky, and then I need your help on this one. Can you show me what a sea looks like or what the ocean looks like? Yeah, you can go forward. I like that, Ben. Or you can even go to the side. Nice job, Kate. Now that we have learned all the signs, we are going to put it together slowly with the music. I want to challenge you to really use your face to express the emotions that Moana is feeling. She's feeling very excited. What else is she feeling, Kate? She is daring and adventurous. That's right. Nice one. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Show me line. See the ninja. Guys, to see. Hooks. Yes, very nice. All right, since we did an awesome job with the song, we are going to play some Kahoot trivia for Moana. Okay, this one is about Maui. What is he? Is he a god, a demigod, a human, or an animal? Better all get this right. No, I'm just kidding. He is a demigod. You all 3 got this. Nice guess. Wonderful. Well, it was so nice to meet you all. I hope to see you very soon, and you have a great week. Bye-bye. So those are my top 3 tips for passing your Outschool video application. You can always let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or other additional advice if you are a teacher on Outschool who has passed that application stage, and I would love to hear from you. All right, I'll see you in the next video.